Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I am sorry I couldn't upload anytime soon. I mean, for the anytime soon means 1-2 weeks before. But in these 1-2 weeks, right, I was grinding with my friend. His name is Shaurya Nanavati, so I could give you guys some more interesting and fun content. And by the way, what is there on my back? This thing, yeah, and I've even got a new Jeep. Sweet. What is there on my back? Whoa, there's a jetpack. Oh, a Simo. I'm telling. I'm literally telling a Simo to stop like making the jetpack ragdoll you in like midair. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you the new tactic. The tactic which you can like grind in like 1 hour and you will get like a lot. But as you can see, guys, in the distance right there, if you can see where my mouse is, the distance, the new power plant has come. Yeah, then they added a new power plant. That's super cool. Yep, and now I emptied my now the jetpack to the jetpack can refill it with standard fuel, free. 25 Robux is equal to 5. Fly faster, fly longer. But I don't have any Robux, so let's just go with standard fuel refill. But on to the video. I get in my Jeep and I just drive off the cliff. Children, don't do that at home. It's a game, so don't do that at home. So now first let's just suppose that you are like escaping from the prison. Like let me just drive there. You're just escaping from the prison in like the downtown, I guess. Yeah, should call that downtown instead. You do a sweet Tokyo drift down here. You come over here. And over here, don't hit the ramp first thing. You come here, I'm entering a whole new place. So we will just come down here and whoop. And we are going to pass all of these buildings and stuff like that with my zooming speed. And then boom. Now we are here at the prison. Now what we do here is I prefer you guys to escape through the sewer. Now where is the sewer? If you come over here, let me just stick it right here. If you come over here, here is the sewer's exit. Now you run over here to this Camaro and you get in because that's what you do after you escape. That's why I prefer you guys to escape from the sewer. But if you have the mobile garage game pass, na, escaping from the explode wall is perfectly fine. So then you come down here. Keep on going. You grab a shorty or whatever thing you have over here. But I don't need to grab it because I already have some. Yeah. And a shorty. And by the way, they even added some new animations which I really love. Before there were no new animations and they're like the rebound. Even with the AK. See, even with the AK, the rebound thing comes in your face and the rebound on your hand. That's super cool. And by the way, I had gone in first person for that. So you can just grab whatever you want to and then you just enter your car. Then you drive to, if you want to go to the garage, then you like drive to the garage, spawn your vehicle. But if we are talking about some tactics, now after you take your all the things, okay, from the gun store, you go over here. If it is a VIP server, which I have here, there will be no people, so it will be fresh out the womb. Okay, so then you come here to Bad CC store, coder of the game. Bad CC is the coder of the game. Then you just do that, and then you get 750. Sweet. Now if you want to, you can just go to the gas station, which should, the marker is like right here, so I won't even bother going there. So 750 plus 750 is equal to 1500. Okay, so that should be a good boost. Now what I want you guys to do is come here and camp for the big train over here. But now it's night time, so I can't show you guys the cargo train, but then it will get day. So next thing, you come up here, and then here's the quickest shortcut to the museum. And I think so I saw the cargo train smoke. Yeah, probably should do that first. Yeah, there's the passenger train, not the cargo train. Wow, my car is flippy today. Okay, yeah, you come up here, then you eat a break glass, then it should break and it should make you fall down. I grabbed the briefcase and I don't have the bigger duffel bag game pass, so I can't, like, my car is stuck in the, all right then. Yeah, good stuff. Otherwise my, hey, if we are here only, then I'll show you guys the new cars which they added, or should I say they buffed. The Ferrari. It's cool. It's a very cool car, and I'm sitting in the seat. I'm sitting in the passenger seat, not the driver's seat. It is super cool car, but I can't afford it, so let's just go. Yeah, and there's my duffel bag. So where do you go to turn it in? You go to the volcano base. So if you like take a turn back here, and then you like go, or like keep on going. Oh, why did my controls change? Because I'm on laptop, so that also happens once in a while. And by the way, the word controls change means when I don't expect it and I'm using arrows to drive, it switches to WASD. So very confusing. So there's a collector right there, and you like go here to turn your um, museum, your power plant and stuff like that in. Or if you want to go, there's even a character right there. So let's just go. And by the way guys, if you didn't know, I was level 10. I wanted to show you guys the secret base thingy, but studies was happening, exams were happening, so I couldn't show you guys the new base. Plus my parents weren't allowing me to play. So, oh, there's the cargo train. Yep, that is the cargo train. Oh, that is a pole. So yeah, I'm not even going to bother doing the cargo train because it's like the same thing. You hop onto these like shallow carts right here, and then you like parkour yourself to these red carts which will have all that green stacks. Alright, so I'm not even going to bother doing that. But you do the small stores, then you do the train. If it's like a resetted server, right? I even know the time of when the servers of Jailbreak reset, which is the game I'm playing right now. It is around 9 o'clock and Indian time. 9 o'clock Indian time. Even resets like 9-10 o'clock night time in India. Yeah, but in USA, like you can just go in the 9-10 o'clock night. In India, 9-10 o'clock night time one resetting thing. So that's also good. After the servers reset, the whole gas station thing and all of that will also reset. Yeah, so you come up here, and here you come here to the museum. Now the museum is a two-player thing. So You need an alt account for this. I forgot to tell you guys, only you need an alt account because you need a key card and you even need a what you call it, a alt account to like pull the lever on, like place dynamite on like the museum. Yeah, but I have a alt account, but for some reason JB is like jailbreak. Short form of jailbreak is JB. Jailbreak is like not allowing my alt account to come here in the game, in the VIP server. So let's just go, and as you can see down here my bounty is 1130. So that is like you might get it up to 2000. So like after you do the museum, right, don't even waste a second and go, oh, wrong button. You don't even waste a second and you drop down right here, and then you go straight to the, oh, there's a bridge. Then you like go straight to the, what you call it, not get any traction. Okay, yeah. Oh, if we are here only, I'll show you guys the new car, the second new car. Oh, I'm using my jetpack to travel. Here, the Cirrus, and the Cirrus is pretty nice car. If you like want to buy the Cirrus, you can see that fine print right there. Okay, huh? How do I go out of this? Oh, it just is. Cancel. Okay, yeah, so the Cirrus looks pretty cool. And if you want to get a more in detail look inside, this is how it looks from inside. So now let's go back to my Jeep, which should be here, parked very seamlessly. Boom. Yeah, that's why jetpack is super useful. The first thing I prefer you guys to get is the jetpack. So don't even waste a second, go straight to the double P or the new power plant. Now I'm not even going to bother to do the double power, not the double power plant, the power plant, because I'm complete noob at the new power plant. I was pro at the first one and come here to show you guys the new car, the third new car. The Challenger. Wait, is it the Challenger? Yeah, the Challenger. Yeah. So then it's super cool. There is more first person in this car. This is how the interior looks. That's super cool. But I'm not even going to bother to do the new power plant if I don't even know how to do it. And then what happens is, then you go to the jewelry store, which should be down this road, like right down here, like right down here, jewelry store. I'm not going to do any of these things because now I have to go. Yep. The jewelry store is also pretty simple if you have a jetpack. Like you can like jetpack through all the obbies, and if you like get a helicopter with this jetpack, right, you can like, oh no, I'm going to spacebar. Yes. Yeah, and if you didn't know, you can just stand here and the glass will like break. Yeah. But I'm not even going to bother doing that. So guys, that's the video for today. Bye. Hope you guys had a great time watching this video. It will take some time in editing. Yeah, just telling you guys that. So I will meet you guys in tomorrow's video. I hope you guys smash that like and subscribe button and even hit that bell button. But don't hit it too hard because we even need it for the next video. If you don't have it for the next video, well, you can't do it for the next video. Okay, so don't smash it too hard. Okay, bye guys. Stay safe.